She's going to put both hot and cold water on. She's going to throw the paper towel away, wet your hands. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the nails.
In Uganda, I was working with a university as a library assistant, and I did that for 10 years.
4, 5.
Things are different here. If you change a country, you can't just go in that same profession just like that. You come with your degree, you put it aside, you start afresh.
That's Zam, my wife. We immigrated from Uganda to the United States 6 months ago. In Uganda, I worked in IT, and I said it wouldn't happen. But here I am as well, working as a nursing assistant. Why are we all stuck in this? The most guys I see, most Ugandans I see, why do we all have to end up in this healthcare thing? Why?
It's kind of almost the only thing you can start with immediately.
So you know when you come in here, I want to be like an engineer, I want to be like, I want to go for computer stuff, like IT. So basically the dream just dies there.
1, 2, 3. Push with your legs up.
I've seen people in facilities saying they have been, nursing assistants like maybe 30 years. Why?
You need that job because it's assured, it's there, the money will keep coming. Tell me, at what point are you going to get out and study? You have your kids, you have rent. They're not going to go on hold, right?
Yeah, as long as you don't get stuck there.
Get the nerve, folks, so that we can screen and discuss these films across the country and impact the national debate on immigration.